In this video, I'm going to guide you through how to resolve the issue where Adobe apps show the error message saying this unlicensed Adobe app has been disabled. The process is quick and easy. First, open the Start menu on your computer and search for Windows Defender. Click on Windows Defender Firewall. From the left panel, select Advanced Settings. In the new window, go to Inbound Rules on the left side. Then on the right, choose New Rule, select Program and click Next. Next, locate the application that is causing the issue. It could be Photoshop, Premiere, or After Effects. The process is the same for each. The file will usually be found in the C drive inside Program Files and within the Adobe folder. For example, if you're seeing the error with After Effects, double-click to select it and then click Next to add it to the list. Here, make sure to choose Block the Connection and click Next. Press Next again, then give the rule a name. I'll call it Adobe, and click Finish. After that, you'll see the newly created rule in the list. I hope your problem is solved. If it did, please hit the subscribe button.